Okay, my name's Ryeeda Otondo. I'm the head teacher of this school. I've been running this school for almost 10 years now. And for the few time I've been having, I have almost 150 children. I've been facing a lot of problems, let's say like sometimes when it rains, the roof was very weak. So you could find that when the kids go to the toilet, it can be poured in by the rain. And also the toilet was not in a good condition. It was leaking. It was not stable for the child to go inside. And sometimes, at times, we could find that we had a stink, a very bad smell that was coming out. So it could interfere with the health of the children and also the neighbor around. So we have been having this problem for so long time. And since the mat people join us, we much appreciate it because we are now having a very good toilet. It's very clean, it's very big, it's nicely, it's smelling nicely, and we much appreciate the mat people for what they have done for us. Because the kind of children we're having, they are poor, they cannot even afford it to make a good toilet like this one. But because of the you mat people, you have made us to look clean, and we know we are going to get more children because of the toilet. So we much appreciate for what you have done, and we ask you, our Heavenly Father, to bless MAD. So God bless you, MAD. God bless you people. Thank you.